Supreme Court upholds a RICO lawsuit against medical marijuana firm in landmark ruling. In a precedent-setting decision, the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled against medical marijuana Inc. paving the way for a commercial truck driver's civil lawsuit under the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organization Act, that is RICO. The 5-4 ruling delivered on Wednesday reinforces the broad applicability of the RICO statute beyond its traditional focus on organized crime, extending its reach to corporate misconduct involving deceptive product claim. Legal battles over alleged fraudulent CBD claims. The case revolves around Douglas Horn, a veteran truck driver who lost his job after testing positive of tetrahydrocannabinol, that is THC, the psychoactive component of marijuana, despite purchasing the CBD tincture marketed as THC-free. Horn, who sought relief for injuries sustained in a trucking accident, turned to a product called Dixie X, believing it to be a safe alternative for pain management. However, after undergoing a routine drug screening mandated by his employer, THC was detected in his system, leading to his termination from a job he had held for over a decade. Subsequent independent laboratory tests confirmed that the product contained THC, contradicting the company's claim. RICO Act's expanding reach. At the heart of the case was whether Horn's loss of employment constituted a business of property injury as envisioned by Congress when it enacted the RICO Act in 1970. The law, originally designed to combat organized crime, allowed plaintiffs to seek triple damages for losses resulting from a pattern racketeering activity, which includes fraud among other offenses. Justice Amy Coney Barrett, writing for the majority, upheld a previous appellate court ruling rejecting medical marijuana's argument that employment termination did not constitute a valid injury under RICO. Medical marijuana is left fighting the most natural interpretation of the text that injured means harmed, with no plausible alternative in hand. That is the battle it cannot win, Barrett stated in the ruling. The Supreme Court's decision affirms the Second U.S. Circuit Court for Appeal prior reversal of a lower court ruling that had dismissed Horn's civil RICO claim. Horn, alongside his wife Cindy Horn, filed the lawsuit in 2015, asserting that medical marijuana and its associated entities engaged in a pattern of racketeering activity through violation of the Federal Controlled Substances Act, as well as instances of mail fraud and wire fraud. Their claim rested on the assertion that the company's deceptive marketing practices directly led to financial harm, as Horn's wrongful termination deprived him of his livelihood. The lawsuit contended that this economic injury aligns with RICO's provisions, making medical marijuana liable for damages.